Greetings and welcome to Yard Mojo. Today we'll talk about finding privacy and tranquility in the yard. Sure, the traditional method of planting trees and hedges works, but let's face it, it's a slow process. So we're shaking things up a bit and introducing the concept of privacy through artistry. Let's explore how to make your backyard a beautiful and private outdoor space. Sculptures are not only for museums, but they can also be a great addition to your yard. Having big sculptures in your backyard is not only cool, but they also give you privacy. Imagine scrap metal art with a rust patina or installing a stone sculpture. Their large size and unique design can block views, but they also make your yard look stunning. Every sculpture has a story. It catches your eye and sparks conversation. But more, these installations are an expression of you. The sculpture you choose shows your style and taste, whether you like modern or rustic. Think about it, with a sculptural installation, your yard becomes more than a private space. It evolves into an outdoor art gallery, a statement about your personality and creativity. So why settle for the ordinary when you can have artistry and privacy combined? With sculptures, you get to enjoy privacy and an outdoor art gallery in your own backyard. Geometric topiary gardens are a classic way of adding charm and privacy to your yard space. These shaped sculptures create a barrier and start interesting conversations. Picture stepping into your own backyard and being welcomed by geometric shapes, topiary animals, or your favorite characters. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination and the time you wish to spend gardening with shears. With topiary gardens, you can wear your artist hat and garden gloves at the same time. You can create a garden that reflects your personality and style. As you create and care for these beautiful green spaces, you also create a natural privacy wall. If you enjoy gardening and want something unique, why not try topiary gardens? They can be a creative and green way to ensure backyard privacy. Imagine a serene water wall in your backyard, adding privacy and tranquility. Imagine a waterfall, a curtain of water that separates you from the outside world. Make your yard unique with a big water feature that offers privacy. Water curtains can create a peaceful atmosphere for your outdoor living area. They provide a calming backdrop. They're not only walls, they're interactive art installations that invite meditation and reflection. Close your eyes and picture the peaceful sound of water flowing. Watch as the sunlight dances on the water, creating a captivating sight. A water wall can turn your backyard into a peaceful oasis with its beautiful design. It's an opportunity to create a space that reflects your style and personality. A water wall can be a mesmerizing, peaceful privacy solution. Trellis panels and living walls bring in a world of greenery and privacy to your backyard. Picture designing your own green maze, a trellis that's both a focal point and offers privacy. This is the magic of trellis panels. Garden trellises are not only for plants to climb, they can also be a canvas for your creativity. Like a maze, you can design and change. You can choose to have one kind of vine on the trellis or mix different plants for a more colorful and varied look. The trellis maze changes with the seasons, offering new and exciting things to explore. But let's not stop there. How about turning your backyard into an ever-changing landscape with movable living walls? Imagine tall plantings such as upright cedars nested in movable water troughs. The beauty of this is their portability. You can move them around to take advantage of sun, shade, and privacy. Movable living walls add height and make your space look interesting. They also bring movement to the area. Feel free to rearrange your backyard however you want, giving it new looks and areas anytime. With trellis panels and portable living walls, you get a green, movable, interactive privacy solution. Berms, an elegant solution to privacy and drainage in your backyard. Berms are raised areas of land used in landscaping to create separate visual interest points and to improve drainage. But they can also be an excellent tool for adding privacy to your outdoor space. Berms raise the height of your landscape. This would also influence the height of sculptures, topiaries, and trellises. This height boost adds more privacy, but berms aren't just practical, they're also visually pleasing. The gentle slopes and curves can add a dynamic element to your backyard, breaking up flat areas and adding depth to your design. Plus, because they improve drainage, they can help keep your plants healthy and lush. They are a simple yet effective way to enhance privacy and the overall yard design. Berms offer an opportunity to get creative with your space while addressing practical issues like drainage and privacy. Privacy in the yard doesn't have to be boring. From large sculptural installations to topiary gardens, water walls to artistic curtain displays, there's a world of creative solutions out there. Transform your yard into a visual gallery with trellis mazes, movable living walls, or berms that offer not just seclusion, but also a compelling story and interaction. And remember, local experts are always there to guide you in your journey. Thank you for joining us on Yard Mojo. Remember to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the many ways to enhance your outdoor spaces.